I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is Yakety-Yak episode 85, live from the Carnival Sunrise. We are in front of the Alchemy Bar, currently in the port of Nassau, so it's not too busy here. So John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We take the questions, we put them here for you. The cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, so you don't have to read 1,000 questions. So on today's episode, we're talking about Galf Pros on board, drink counts on receipts, what coffee is served on the Lido deck, beach wheelchairs at Half Moon Key, and chocolate melting cake. All right, question one. Back in 2000, when this cruiser first started cruising, they said there was a Galf Pro on board, and then they would give lessons, do a driving range, if you will, what is that, a simulator, duh. And he was wondering if there's any chance of bringing this back to the boats, because he enjoyed it. John said it's been a long time since they had them, and they were pretty underutilized, and very few guests were interested, so it's not likely to bring them back, but he will mention it to his colleagues because he does know that they're very popular. Question two. This cruiser just got off the Sunshine, we're on the Sunrise, and they wanted to know if there was a reason the drink count at the bottom of the receipts has gone away. They like to know where they were and how many drinks they had left at the end of the night. And it saves a lot of time, because if you go to the bar now, they have to look it up on there, see where your count is, and you got people waiting for drinks. And it just makes it that much slower. John said they did this because some people took the count on the bottom as a challenge. So you'll come across that person noon that day, and they're like, "Oh, I'm at drink 13. You're like, he's not going to make the night. So they actually took it out so it's not as much of a challenge, and hopefully to have people regulate the amount of stuff they like to drink. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and like Carnival Cruise content or cruising content in general, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. Question three. This cruiser wanted to know what type of coffee is served on the Lido deck. They love getting on board, going straight to the Lido deck and getting that very first cup of coffee. And they want to know where they can purchase it so they can enjoy the coffee at home. John said there is no way to purchase it. This is a specific blend made just for Carnival and is imported from Italy. So he's happy they love the coffee, but unfortunately there is no way to buy said coffee. You hear the squeaking in the background. We are live on the boat, and that's one of those little carts they're dragging around. Question four. This cruiser has seen the beach wheelchairs on Half Moon Key, and they're wondering if Carnival rents them at the private islands, or is it on the ship that they have to get them. John said the wheelchairs are only available there, not on the ships in any other destination that they currently go to. He did say on Celebration Key, they will have these available for you as well. So it'll be Half Moon Key and Celebration Key. Last question. This guest was wondering why they can't make the chocolate melting cake available on Lido deck. Because they love it, but they don't exactly like going to the MDR to get it. John said they require specialty ovens in a specific galley to make these, which is in the galley that makes the food for the MDR. So they would not be able to make them and get them continuously hot and served on Lido deck, so they can't do it. You gotta go to the MDR. That was episode 85, Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth, from the Sunrise. Thanks for watching. Please take care.